Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Kajabi subscription. All right, so first up, log into your account. And once you're in here on your dashboard, just go to the bottom left and click on settings. Okay, click on it and wait for it to load. And once it loads, just gotta scroll down and find account settings section. And here, just click on subscription and billing. Wait for it. And once done, go ahead and click on change plan. Okay, click on it. Now this one will load. Just gotta scroll all the way down and click on cancel subscription. Click on it. And the next page, it will just tell you why you needed Kajabi. Just ignore this one and just click on cancel my subscription. And there will be 4 stages. They'll look the same. All right. Kajabi right here will do its best for you to get back to Kajabi or to get back using Kajabi. Just cancel, continue to cancel, again, cancel as I said earlier, cancel, continue to cancel. And then in the next pages, it will just ask you for a reason why you wanted to opt out. Just select a reason, and once done, just select the option submit feedback. And after that, there will be a message that your account has been scheduled for cancellation successfully. That is it. That's how you cancel a Kajabi subscription. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.